I hope you are doing well. My name is Tatya Kapadia, an alumni of G.H. Patel College of Engineering and Technology, currently known as CVM University. A 2018 batch IT department pass out. I'm currently working here at Sybase Softwares, Pune. I'm feeling euphoric and nervous at the very same moment since I have been asked to come forward and share my journey with all of you, my GSET family. So I'll try my best to make it less boring for all of us. Yeah, so let's begin. What if somebody comes up to me right now and asks me that what's the one best thing that you'll always remember about GSET? My answer would be the ecosystem that it provides. It's so rich in its own cultural value that it helps a student to achieve a full course development during 4 years of its college career. Even I joined GSET as a normal IT aspirant guy, a Gujarati medium pass out. But GSET has never stopped to encourage me and help me uplift my learning curve during the 4 years of college period. The faculties of IT department are always helping. They are always one WhatsApp ping away and your queries are solved. They are very well versed with the current ongoing topic in the industry, so they can help you with that also. Just because of their ruthless efforts to make me a good IT engineer, I was able to achieve 10 out of 10 SPI in my 4th semester of the Gujarat Technological University examination, and I represented the entire GSET family in the top of the list. Not only technical, but GSET has always encouraged me to improve my interpersonal skills, my social skills by taking part in the co-curriculum activity. And we all know, right, that the Tech Fest that we host, IMAs, is a great opportunity for all of us. I started taking part in IMAs, and fortunately enough, I was able to become a campaigning head in 3rd year, and I was grateful enough that I was leading the core team of IMAs in 2018 by being finance head. Not only technical and curricular, but I was able to develop hobbies like writing blogs, writing poems, performing at open mic during my college period in GSET. The faculties of IT department, they pushed me to take a machine learning project in my final year. I took the project, I worked hard on it, I did pretty well, got cleared with the interviews, and currently I'm here at Sybase working at data science machine learning team. Isn't it great, right? So GSET will always hold a beautiful place in my heart. The journey has always been like a roller coaster for me, and it's gonna be more than that for you. So hold tight, have fun, learn things, and always try to become a better human being during the period. And always remember to make memories, because ये 4 साल कभी वापस नहीं आने वाले guys. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Principal Dr. Himanshu Soni sir and HOD IT Dr. Nikhil Gondalia sir for finding me worthy enough to come forward and share my experiences with my GSET family. And if you guys have any doubt regarding placements or IT industry, always remember that I am one click away on any social media. You can come and ask me anything you would like to. I'll try my best to help you out, guys. Yeah, so last but not the least, have fun, make memories, have a good time at GSET, try to learn things, and have a great future ahead, guys. Once a GSET in, always a GSET in. Thank you so much.